This is your LMAX exchange technical update for Tuesday, December 27, 2016. Euro dollar. So the euro remains under pressure after breaking down below some key support in the 105s to fresh multi-year lows, and this sets the stage for the next breakdown towards key support, which now comes in by parity. At this point, any rally should be very well capped with only a break back above 108.75 to take the immediate pressure off the downside. Sterling dollar. So cable is recently broken down below some key support, which comes in the 123 area, and this puts the focus now on next key support, internal support around 122. But the breakdown below 123 does leave the door open for the possibility of a resumption of declines back towards that plus 30-year low that we saw in October down in the 118s. At this point, it would take a break back above 128 to take the pressure off the downside. Dollar yen. So dollar yen remains firmly anchored to the top side. The market has been trading within a very constructive tone, and it favors additional upside here towards next key resistance in the 120 area. But we are seeing the formation of a bit of a short-term top that could open the door for an overdue correction in this market to allow from some overstretched, overbought studies to unwind before the market looks to trade higher. So a fresh higher low could be sought out, ideally at this point given the recent price action in the 114 to 115 area ahead of a resumption of gains. Ultimately, though, any setbacks that are more meaningful should be supported ahead of previous resistance at 111.45. Euro Swiss. So Euro Swiss has seen a bit of a bounce over the past couple of sessions, but overall the pressure here remains on the downside, and the focus is on a retest of the 2016 low, which comes in at 106.24. Aussie dollar. So Aussie has been under intense pressure over the past several days, and this puts the focus on a test of key support at 71.45. At this point, any rally should be very well capped into the 73 area. Dollar CAD. So dollar CAD is trading back within a very well defined uptrend, and this market now is focused on a break of the high that we saw going back to November at 135.89. A push above that level will open a fresh upside extension towards the 140 area. Any setbacks here should now be very well supported ahead of that recent low that we saw at 30.81. Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi looks to continue to be carving out a major top since posting a 2016 high at 74.86, and the focus from here is on a medium-term support test at 66.76. SPX 500. The S&P 500 has stalled out recently by fresh record highs, but the pressure remains firmly on the top side, and there is risk for a break above that recent high in the 2280 area to open the door for a push towards 2300 and beyond. At this point, we would need to see a close below 2247 at a minimum to take the immediate pressure off the top side. Gold. So gold has been under intense pressure over the past several weeks, and the market has traded down towards some critical support in the 1120 area. At this point, the market would need to establish a close back above the 1145 area to take the immediate pressure off the downside.